welcome back to the First Hobbies. This is volume 51 of the Space Battleship Yamato that we're working on. Looks like all we're going to be doing is building a little motor and basically putting it in its housing. I'm going to bundle this with 52 because I think 52's only got some few things I think in it too. So here's the instructions. Ooh boy, gonna be awful quick getting this one done. This is the Cosmo Tiger, and basically this is showing the how the structure is of the Cosmo Tiger in the front, the nose cone and stuff, how the cockpit opens up and how it opens up from the bottom also. So both directions on there. Basically, this is also showing the interior of the cockpit and some of the other things, how it's set up in there, all of its armaments that it can have at times. And then this is, I believe, Mill. And Mill was an officer and that kind of talked to the humans and stuff. And this is Mill's pistol right here. She's got a very special little pistol. Looks kind of familiar with some other stuff that we've ever seen. And this is talking about part 2 of episode 14, where they find Teresa and they're attacking that. So that is all there is in this volume. And yeah, it looks like all we're going to do is we're going to make another little stand to hold up the thing and probably building that little thing. But that is all there is. So we'll get to the parts and then we'll do the next one. Alright, here are the stage or volume 51 parts. I don't remember if this was 110 or 120, maybe it's 100 or 110. No, I think it's 110, so we're almost there. We're almost halfway there. But we're at stage 51. Looks like we're going to be putting the motor together. This looks like this is going to be kind of a quick, if I can get it out of the package, this looks like it's going to be a quick little build. Probably take longer to, I went through the magazine than it is for me to take and do this little fiasco part here, but this is where we're at, and I'm just going to confer to make sure which direction these things go again. We are putting that on, so here's the motor, and they want us to put the part with this thing here on this side, and this part here on this side, like so. And we're putting it, oh no, we're putting it up here front. We're putting it on the black part of the motor. Oh, well, it might help if I do it the right way. Nope, nope, nope. Is that the way it's going? No. Yes. We gotta turn them around like that. That way. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So we got that there. Alright. We're going to put 2 screws in here. Like so. Since these are going through plastic, we don't have to worry about any oil. Any oil. You need that oil, man. You gotta put some oil on there and make sure that it goes through there. But the oil does kind of maybe help a little bit with the plastic, even when it cuts through, gives a little bit more. But we're not supposed to have that going like that. And I think this is the motor for the guns to go up and down that we installed in the last issue. Part. So I'm sure we're going to be getting to another piece of decking or something, because when last we looked at the decking for this build, it was all the way to basically to the back where it was already done for the hull pieces. But there is that tighten down, and we're not going to take and loosen this up. We're just going to leave that together, because that way we don't have these connectors or anything getting tangled or whatever. Push that in there like that, and that there is all there is to do for stage 51 of this build. We will see you later in the next video. Bye for now. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. And remember, mental note, like and subscribe to be updated to all my content. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you later.